Hello Year 4, we're going to go over today's missing number problems. So to help you solve these, the first thing you need to do is draw your bar. I've already drawn mine. Okay, so we know that the top bar is for our whole, and in all of these number sentences we are adding or subtracting, and it's in two parts, so therefore I've split my bottom bar into two parts. Okay, so this first one is an addition number sentence, so we know the number after the equal sign will be our whole because that will be the largest number. And then we know that it will be 854, add something else will make 958. So to solve this we need to do 958 subtract 854. So therefore, now we know that the missing number will be 104. So you can fill that in both places. Okay, the next one. Now this time it's a subtraction number sentence, and we know that the largest number will be at the beginning of our number sentence. This number will be the number that goes in our top bar. So in this case it will be 9,854. Then we know that the number that will go in this part of our bar model will be 1,352. Okay, so as this is a subtraction number sentence, we know that to find that missing number, we know that we need to still subtract to find out what that number will be. So the missing number will be 8,502. Okay. The next question. This time, we know that the biggest is another subtraction number sentence, and we know that the biggest number in a subtraction number sentence will become at the beginning. So that would be the number that would go in our top bar. So here we've actually got the two parts that go into the bottom of our bar model. So here we know that we need to add these two numbers together to find that whole number. So therefore our whole will be 625, the whole part of our bar model, and so that number will go at the start of our number sentence. Okay, the next one. So this time it's an addition number sentence, so therefore our whole part, the top part of our bar model, will be the number that's after the equal, so in this case 4,687, and then we're going to have 24 in this part. So to work out this missing number here, we need to subtract. Make sure you're putting those numbers in the correct columns to subtract. So therefore we know that missing number is 4,663. Okay, the next one. So here we've got another subtraction number sentence. So we know that the biggest number that will go in the top part of our bar, is the first number in the sentence, so it will be 4,466, and then one of our parts will be 2,222. So again, we need to subtract to find that missing number. So therefore our missing number is 2,244. Okay, number 7. It's the first number in our subtraction number sentence that's missing, so it's going to be the number that goes into the top part of the bar. So we can fill in the other two parts. To work out the missing number, we need to add these two parts together. So therefore your answer is going to be 1,763. Okay, the last one. So here, it's an addition number sentence. So we know that the number after the equal sign is going to be our largest number. And that will go in the top part of our bar. And then the other number will be one part of the bottom half of our bar. So to solve this, we need to subtract. Need to exchange. And again for this one. So therefore your missing number will be 3,572. Of course, if you're not sure on any of your answers, the best way is to use the inverse you can go back and check them using the inverse of the operation you've done. Okay, hope it all makes sense.